Design Lab, we try to combine smart design technology, design thinking, and system thinking together to use up-to-date technology such as digital twin, emotional recognition, EEG signals, and for smart systems, services, and products to make everything and the system is connected to benefit our society and our business in the next generation of digital transformation.
My research looks at the impact of mobility and smart technologies in city structures and city environments, and I'm particularly interested in how the evolution beyond connected cars could potentially lead to autonomous vehicles and enhance mobility in future cities.
My research is focused on personal digital twins, which refer to digital replicas of humans. A personal digital twin holds the information of the past and the current state of a person. Through the predictive models, we can make predictions and planning to enhance our work performance, healthcare, well-being, personal and professional development. In the future, it can be used to represent you, to work for you, or even work on your behalf.
Well, my research about exploring and creating a digital twin-based smart transportation system and services, which aim to tackle the problems in the traffic congestion and traffic disasters. Digital twin-based smart transportation not only can give users a more better visual and dynamic sense, but also have the potential about interact with the users and traffic events.
Smart design means a promising future with various opportunities to solve practical problems in different fields. And as human beings, emotions are an important part of our daily lives, affecting our mental health and well-being. So smart design in emotion regulation inspires me to design for emotion regulation by digital tools for people with negative emotions to balance their emotions and improve their mental health and well-being.
Smart design is a strategy to help people have a better life, and everything can be involved in smart design. For my research, I focus on emotion recognition from keyboard and mouse dynamic features to improve individual well-being and team performance.
Smart design has truly revolutionized how prosthetics are manufactured and what the technology can offer. My research introduced the innovations from the field of generative design and AI for the manufacturing process. It's not only to making the quality better, but also make it more accessible to the people in need.